Dear friends, welcome to my video on deep neural network in machine learning. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Deep neural networks, DNNs, in machine learning are kind of like the brainiacs of the AI world. They're super smart, complex, and can handle a ton of information. But let's break it down a bit, so it's easier to understand. First up, the deep in deep neural networks isn't about philosophical depth or anything. It's about having many layers. Imagine a sandwich, but instead of 2 slices of bread and some cheese, you've got loads of layers, each doing its own thing. Each layer in a DNN is made up of units, or neurons, kind of like our brains. These neurons aren't thinking about what to have for lunch, though. They're busy processing data. When you feed information into a DNN, it goes through these layers, with each layer doing its bit of number crunching. This process is called forward propagation. But here's where it gets cool. DNNs learn by making mistakes, don't we all? They make a guess, check how far off they are, and then tweak things a bit. This tweaking happens through a process called backpropagation, where the network adjusts its weights. Weights are like the secret sauce in each neuron, determining how much importance to give to the incoming data. One of the reasons DNNs are so powerful is their ability to handle feature extraction. This is geek speak for automatically figuring out what's important in the data. In simpler models, humans have to tell the machine what to look for, but DNNs are smart enough to do this on their own. What really makes DNNs shine is their versatility. They're like the Swiss Army knives of machine learning. Whether it's recognizing your face in a photo, translating languages, or even driving cars, yep, that's right. DNNs are behind a lot of the cutting-edge AI we see today. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Training a DNN can be like teaching a toddler to play chess. It takes a lot of time and patience. They need loads of data and computing power, and sometimes they make mistakes that can be hard to figure out, thanks to their complexity. Despite these challenges, the future of DNNs is super exciting. They're getting better and faster all the time, and they're helping us solve some really tricky problems. From healthcare to environmental science, DNNs are making a big impact. So there you have it, deep neural networks in a nutshell. They're complex, powerful, and a bit high maintenance, but they're helping to push the boundaries of what machines can do. And that's pretty awesome. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.